Alright, so next up we have the horizontal shift. Now this one's a little bit different than all the other ones, and I'll explain why here in a second, but it's a little more confusing, so it will take me a second, but I think we will get through it. So, on the horizontal shift, this is the one where you have to find the left endpoint, like what I was talking about earlier. And that's where you set what's inside the parentheses to 0 and solve. Right there. And what this horizontal shift does, like we have the vertical shift here, is it's changing on the vertical axis on the y where the equation starts. Now it's the same for the horizontal shift, except it's changing on the x-axis horizontally. So we have here, in this case, y equals sine, then the parentheses theta plus pi, and it changes on the x-axis where it starts. So as you can see there, it's the same as the parent graph. In the blue graph, the horizontal shift is the same as the parent graph. The only difference is it's been moved over to the left, hence the left endpoint. So yeah, if we just moved it over to the right by a pi, then it would be the same as the parent graph. And as you can probably figure out for yourself, the reason that we have a pi, like everything else goes by a whole number. Now the reason this one goes by pi for the C is because on the x-axis everything goes by pi, and on the y-axis everything's by whole numbers. So yeah, that is the horizontal shift.